So you want to start selling digital products, but you have no idea where to start. I got you. Just follow this simple outline and you'll be set to go. So first things first, you need to pick a niche. Find out what you're passionate about and what has market demand. Picking a niche is going to help you find your target audience, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to be able to talk to that target audience. So the next step would be to create valuable content. So things like ebooks, courses, templates, any printables. If that's too overwhelming for you, don't worry, sis. I got you. You can go ahead to my site, link in the bio, and you can take a look at all of the ebooks and the templates that I have for you already done, and you can resell them as many times as you like. So next, you're going to set up an online store. I personally like to use Beacons.ai. I just really love the site. It's pretty easy to use, and they have paid versions, but it's definitely free to start off. And for free, they give you 500 emails that they'll send out, so you can go ahead and grow your email list. So that's really just a win-win. And then the next thing that you'd want to do is you want to start marketing your digital products. You're going to do this by utilizing social media. You're going to be using your email marketing campaigns and SEO, search engine optimization strategies. This will improve your website visibility and search engine results. When people go ahead and search certain things, certain keywords will pop up and your page will be found, way sooner than later. And then the last thing I would recommend is for you to set up your automations, which is just, I know you see people saying comment digital or comment this word, and then get a message like a couple seconds after that. They have automated systems set up. So I would recommend ManyChat. A lot of people is using that. So I would definitely have you set up your automations, and then after that, you're good to go. And if you are still a little lost, don't worry, I still got you. I have 2 ebooks, link in my bio. They both give you all the information step by step on how to set up your Beacons account, how to get started with digital products and all of that. The only difference is the one bundle just shows you how to do everything, and the second bundle, it shows you how to do everything, but it also has 13 different type of ebooks within the bundle that you can go ahead to use to start your actual business and skip all of that hard work. I really hope this helps anybody who had a few questions on how to actually get started. And if you did find this video helpful, go ahead and like this video, share it with somebody, and save it for later. Talk to you soon. Bye.